Yeehaw! And welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. While I'm not overly excited about the fall menu at Dairy Queen this year, I am excited to do a new review. I revisited Snickerdoodle and Oreo Hot Cocoa because I hadn't done a review on that before, so that's coming. But these two new Reese's items, I have never had. The Reese's Pie is a mix of Reese's and pie pieces. The Reese's Fluffernutter is chocolate, peanut butter, and marshmallow filling. So it's a royal blizzard. But yeah, I'm ready to go ahead and give these a try. They're kind of melting on me because I bought literally 5 things of ice cream. So, you know, now we're getting to review these. So anyways, please subscribe. Yeah, I didn't even look at the camera before that. So please subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, these are the Reese's items. So we're going to go ahead and try them. And look at that, it dripped right then and there. So we're going to start with Reese's Pie. That's what I've got in my hand right now. You can see the Reese's pieces. Yeah, okay. Ooh. Very interesting. Those pie pieces. For some reason, I'm not liking this as much as the Snickerdoodle or the Oreo Hot Cocoa. I don't know if there's like an overload of Reese's in here, which is weird to say. But I really like the graham pie crust pieces. It really could, I don't know if they put the peanut butter topping in this one. But it could be that too. Might not be the biggest fan of that. I still find this to be very delicious. I really like the mix of Reese's and the graham pie crust. I think maybe it should use more pie crust. I think it would be a bit more balanced. But I would give this a solid 7.5. I mean, it's hard to give Dairy Queen anything lower than a 7 on their blizzards. It's always good. So now we're moving on to Fluffernutter. Again, looks very similar to the Reese's Pie. And essentially, we're looking for the marshmallow, and I found it. Okay. It's definitely an interesting combination. But I think I like it less than I like the pie one. You get the same kind of Reese's flavor. Something's tangy about it. I don't know if it's a chocolate or what. And that was the case with the pie, the Reese's Pie one too. The marshmallow's okay. But I don't know. I don't particularly love this. For some reason, I feel like it's the peanut butter topping. because that was in the Muddy Buddy, the Puppy Chow Blizzard, and I was not a big fan of that. And I love me some Reese's. Yeah, the marshmallow didn't add a lot to that. It actually found its way getting a little bit lost in terms of flavor. So I can't give that like a super high rating. I'm gonna give it a 6. Crazy, right? But that's what I feel about it. I feel like something in there kind of threw it off. Just like with the peanut butter pie, but at least with the peanut butter pie, you know, A, the ingredients not getting lost, the marshmallow that's in the Fluffernutter gets lost, and then B, the graham that doesn't get lost is really good. So, you know, I just think I prefer Reese's Pie over the Fluffernutter. And I feel like their Royal Blizzards can be hit or miss a lot of times. A lot of people have, you know, had negative opinions on that. So, probably one of the lower ratings I've given a Blizzard in a while. But I'm just not feeling the hype around it. So, I was excited to try these Reese's Blizzards, but something was off. It had to be the peanut butter sauce. But yeah, what are your thoughts? Have you tried it? Are you excited for the fall menu from Dairy Queen? Let me know in the comments.